Hi guys, my name is Rito and you're welcome to my channel. Fairy houses is my hobby for more than 15 years. For the last 5 years I'm working with a polymer clay. I have this fantasy that fairies takes old things that people does not use anymore and turn them into their houses. For all my works I use small jars, bottles, empty candle glasses. Basically old stuff that go into the trash at the end of the day. I just add to it polymer clay and a lot of love. I'm uploading new videos at least twice a week. For creators, I have a playlist with step-by-step tutorials. For those of you that just love to watch the transformation without all details, I have a watch and enjoy playlist. Another playlist is with tips for working with polymer clay. I have some more playlists, but I will keep this little intrigue you can easily solve. Just browse the channel. One thing is for sure, they're all about magic and will make you feel nice and cozy. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell so you will get notified about new videos. I will be happy to see you among my friends.